What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D-Lo, aka Turtle, aka Young Goat, man. I'm back with another YouTube video, man. This is gonna be, I was gonna say short and sweet, but you just gonna have to find out, bro, because I feel like this topic is not only to help me, but also to help other people. I feel like this can help a lot of other people, that's angry or they put up with a lot of shit, and I don't have all the answers, Sway. I don't, my nigga. Y'all gonna have to look within y'allself. That's really what I've been on. But just to jump straight into the topic, growing up, I always had anger issues since I was a kid. Like, I used to always get frustrated. I used to always deal with a lot of shit. And one thing about me, though, I don't do a lot of things just because of me knowing right from wrong. Obviously, like, my moral compass, I just naturally can't do a lot of things just because I feel like it's just not the right thing to do. But at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, I have the capabilities to do a lot of things. But I just be like, you know, D-Lo, chill. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna take that route. But yeah, as I got older, I always felt like I had my anger under control. Not only my anger, I also felt like I had my ego and my pride under control. Wake up call as of recent, I don't, you know, and it's like I kind of notice it, or I notice it and I take notes. I'm one of them people that I do a lot of self-reflection. I feel like that's what helped me grow a lot. I feel like self-reflection is one of the hardest things a human being can do, because, you know, as humans we can smell somebody else's shit before we smell our own. The reason that I tend to smell my own shit is because of my father. I feel like my father has a lot of issues and a lot of things that he's dealing with and going through, that I feel like I would see him, I could see myself in him, if that makes sense. And me seeing myself in my father, a role model that I don't really want to take after, in a way. No offense to my pops, you know, he nigga wasn't really around, on and off type shit. But, you know, I can learn a lot from him, but at the same time I can learn a lot from his wrongs and his stuff. I always stick with this one quote that someone gave me. I think it was like, a stupid person never learn from their mistakes. A smart person learn from their mistakes, and a genius learn from someone else's mistakes. So I always try to learn from somebody else's mistakes. I don't even try to make the same mistake I see somebody else make, truthfully. That's why I move a certain way. So as I got older and I started to get my anger under wraps, because I can see how my father behaved or how the people around me behaved, I learned to tone it down. I also felt like a lot of issues can stimulate from ego and pride. A lot of anger can stimulate from ego and pride. I had a couple situations happen. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the other night, like, I've already been putting up with so much shit from work and so much other stuff that it's been hard for me to control myself as I normally can. And it's very humbling. It's a learning experience for sure, because I always thought, like I said, I had them things under control. I always thought I had my ego under control, and my pride and my anger mainly, but I don't. Not like I thought I did. Like, nowhere near like I thought I did. I want to say I feel like this is helping me, though, because in the future, or in, you know, as I get older and as other things happen to me, I feel like I can nip it in the bud, or not even allow things to affect my mood and my emotions how it has been lately. But yeah, bro, I just went to work and it just wasn't I didn't have a great day at work. When I go to work, you know, my coworkers are amazing people. I got so much love for my coworkers. They're good people. It's always good vibes. It's always laughter. You know, everybody else, they be feeling the same way I be feeling. Like, nigga, fuck this job, truthfully. So it's like, it's not as bad working with people, and they kind of in the same, you know what I'm saying, it's in the same boat. You could take more pain when you see somebody else dealing with the same pain, if that makes sense. So if we both getting our ass, like, with your siblings, if y'all both getting y'all ass whooped, it's gonna be a little bit, you know what I'm saying, nigga, y'all might be able to laugh a little quicker than y'all normally would than if they watching you just get your ass beat. You know what I'm saying? You ain't really got nobody else to to laugh and giggle and, you know, rub elbows with type shit. I don't know why I said rub elbows, bro. We be making fun of people. No offense to my Caucasians, we talking about y'all be rubbing elbows. Great day today, huh? I don't know what I'm on. That's not the type of shit I'm on today. I want this to be a learning video, a real video. But yeah, man. So I've been doing a lot of self-reflection and a lot of things like that, and a couple issues just arrived. But today at work, you know, I go in, I'm doing a job nobody really want to do. My boy Nate, shout out to Nate, love that nigga, bro. Nigga ended up taking over my line. He ended up doing what I didn't want to do, and you know, I started cooking chicken. Night shift arrives, I double. I end up having to hop back on that same job and do what I don't want to do. I got a manager in my face 24/7 and constantly just picking at me, bugging at me, which just been going on forever, my guy. And it's not just a regular type of picking and bugging. It's like, it's managers, you know, nigga, playing with niggas' time, playing with niggas' money. That shit is very, very frustrating. Especially when it's like an older person. Like, you're older and then you're also a lady. So it's like, I try my hardest not to cut up on her. Like, I be trying my hardest. I'm like, please, just don't. Because like, I can cut into her ass or be yelling and getting loud, but I don't be wanting to because, you know, she older lady, bro. I'm trying to let this shit slide with your old ass, but you pushing the nigga buttons. So that be going on. The other manager be pissing me off too, bro. But it's like he be turning up. I didn't cut into him a couple times, and I feel bad afterwards because it's like, you know, I need to learn how to control myself. I shouldn't allow other people control my emotions. Man, I feel like I got a burp, yawn, all type of shit right now, but very. Here you go. I had to yawn. But yeah. But I also tell people I feel like they should be able to control themselves and they should be able to control how other people make them feel, because I forgot what it was, a Buddha or somebody that said this. I think they said like, if somebody can control your emotions, they can control you. I feel like that's a common saying. Like, and that's true. That's very, very true. That's really true. And I don't like people having control over me already as it is. So me knowing that, nigga, I try to control my emotions. When somebody try to piss me off, I try to relax. Like, nigga, you know, be blessed, bitch. You feel me? Like, I'm not even about to hop on that with you, bro. You want to be on 10, you can have that, dog. I got a coworker that I don't know what the nigga been saying about me. I think the nigga been speaking on me. Other locations to managers, dick sucking, grown. But it's like, I don't know for sure if it's been if it's really been truly negative comments, but I haven't heard anything good. But it's like, I've been wanting to say something to the person, but it's like, that's my ego and my pride that's been wanting me to say something. Like I said, like I don't like that. I can be very confrontational. Sometimes I know how to certain situations. I feel like if it's not worthy of me confronting, it's no point. So basically, let me put it like this: if somebody playing in my face or like they sneak dissing me or whatever, but then they in my face acting like we cool, I'm gonna confront you. If you just somebody I have no care in the world for, and you just doing whatever you're doing, whatever you're doing. You know, if it's not directed, it ain't respected. And I try to move a lot. I try to move a lot smarter and a lot, and in the most high ways that I can. You know, I really do, especially being from where I come from, you know, from being in Detroit and dealing with a lot of stuff and seeing a lot, and really been trying to help my people, better my people, you know, of my complexion, you know, or lighter or darker, you know, however it is. I try to preach positivity. I don't want to be a hypocrite, so I don't want to go around preaching positivity and then I'm also, you know, I'm handling situations in violent ways, or I'm fighting, or I'm being the aggressor, or I'm not handling situations or having these conversations that I feel like I tell other people they need to have so they can de-escalate situations. So just being on that type of time and being in these type of environments, I feel like I don't want to be a hypocrite, so I try to practice what I preach for real, because I'm not gonna sit here and tell you one thing and I go do another. So I've been trying to handle these situations with my anger and handle these situations with my manager and my coworkers. The one that might have a problem with me, I try to handle them in a way where if somebody else was going through it, I'ma tell them how to handle it, if that makes sense. So I've been doing a lot of self-reflection and shit like that, bro. I'm really been trying to get better with my anger and everything, bro. It's just been hard, but I feel like I've been getting better, and I plan on really getting better with this, bro. I really want to get better. Some people, somebody think I need therapy, and I might, bro. But it's not. That's not something I can afford right now. Like, nigga, that ain't just some shit. That's not something that you just go to and, you know, boom, you just get the shit done. Plus, like, truthfully, I feel like I should. It might sound like some lame shit, but nigga, if you want me to be honest, if I need a therapist, I could just talk to God. I feel like, what can this human tell me that he can't? You know, unless God's speaking through this person. But at the end of the day, I feel like I can just talk to God. I can just talk to myself, meditate, get in my own little zone, and better myself like that. Besides that, everything been going gravy, bro. Y'all see I'm about to be pumping the videos out. Tap in with my recent video. I think the last video I dropped was a little boxing video. It was between Nate and CJ. Show love, man. When y'all see me dropping, you know, show love, tap in. But pretty much today, what I wanted to say, y'all, is try to, you know, I'm not going to say try to, how can I say this? I'm not trying to say be a bitch. Because that's obviously not the answer, especially when you're dealing with certain people. But I'm trying to say, learn how to control y'all emotions and learn how to handle certain situations. Because violence isn't always the answer. And besides violence, don't be mad. Like, try to figure out ways to get your anger out. I've been trying to take up boxing, but you know, gym wise and shit like that. I've been trying to get into Muay Thai too, but boxing, Muay Thai. I just love MMA. I've been trying to get into to writing. I write a lot. You know, I do music, so I write a lot. I get to write out a lot of my emotions. I find a lot of different outlets to express my feelings and my emotions. That way I can, you know, I feel like that helps me. I don't know how that shit affect y'all, but nigga, getting that shit out is very, very helpful. If you want to be honest, this video's helped me a lot. I already feel like I done dealt with a lot of these issues. I don't know if I'm gonna bring certain situations to the light on my camera. I got to the point where it's like, this is my channel, this is my video, this is my camera I paid for, this the mic my dog gave me, this my ring light, nigga. You feel me? I made the Gmail on this bitch, I made this channel, so you can't come on here and tell me shit. Like, that's how I've been feeling. But yeah, man, bless, more life for sure, for sure. Shout out to Drizzy for that one. You know, I've been in the talks with OVO. We ain't gonna speak on it. He told me keep it under wraps. Shout out to Drake, dog. But yeah, man, peace, love, and positivity. That's all I preach. And I hope y'all have a blessed fucking day. For real. If you know, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Show some love in the comments, man. And yeah, if y'all want me to speak on anger or anything like that again, I feel like this video I didn't really tap into ways to solve these issues with yourself. But like I said, just self-reflect. Please self-reflect. If you when you deal with people that's making you angry or you going through a situation, try to calm down, breathe, and relax, and really calm your nerves, and then try to think like, is this bitch ass nigga worth it? Peace. I love y'all.